customers and prospects lack meaningful analytics or visibility into inventory demand, have high inventory costs, erratic supply problems, lost sales, or unpredictable customer satisfaction, you need Blue Ridge. Blue Ridge is a global supply chain planning vendor that provides a solution to address your distribution and manufacturing customers' needs. We are a NetSuite SuiteSuccess validated partner with a proven, tested integration for supply chain planning. Blue Ridge SCP's proven, robust advanced forecasting helps distributors and manufacturers visualize demand, take action on orders more confidently, and continually improve operating margins. With Blue Ridge, companies have a scalable template for accurate, profit-driven planning decisions in a snap. Blue Ridge provides enhanced forecast views and item information. Simply drill into the forecast supply plan to get daily alerts and accurate recommendations for replenishment orders. Then approve or act on them, just like that. Here's a peek inside how this works.
In today's demo, we will show where recommended POs reside within NetSuite's SuiteSuccess template for distribution and manufacturing, and how those orders are created in the Blue Ridge supply chain planning solution. On this screen, we can see the predefined suitelets that have been created to facilitate both the implementation and the transfer of accurate information into the Blue Ridge solution. The predefined suitelets include the item master, the source master, the stock status, daily demand invoice, open orders, and last but not least, kit items. Here you can see header information, as well as the items that are attached to this item. And here we do have the opportunity or the ability to go ahead and see item level information, and also a couple of additional screens that are brought over from Blue Ridge for the buyer's review. By looking at the forecast or the detail, it'll take you into a simulation of the Blue Ridge demand forecast screen and the Blue Ridge order item detail screen. Let's go ahead and show you what that looks like. This is the demand forecasting screen, where at the item level, we can see descriptive information. We also see what the item's demand deviation is, if there's a velocity code assigned to it, what its service level goal is. Because the system is is calculating a business trend for each item, we show that to you right here as well. Additionally, we present the exceptions that existed at the time that the order was accepted. Was this an item that had high demand, exceptionally high demand, or exceptionally low? Was it trending up or down? Did it have missed service, or was it an infinity check? Meaning, did it have no forecast, but we actually had demand on the item? By looking at the information below, we can see we have historical information. All right. And we also have a projected demand view if the item has a seasonal profile. Some buyers, they do prefer to have numerical information, so we do provide that additionally as well. The other view that a buyer has within the NetSuite solution is the order item detail screen. And here you have the opportunity to look at a projection going a year out for what the item's demand is going to look like. Not only the demand, but additionally, I want to take you back. I want to just show you a couple of other pieces that we have in here that are very important. It's a part of the Blue Ridge replenishment solution, the dashboard. This dashboard is unique to all buyers, meaning that the items, the quantities that we're looking at here that I'm circling, these are items that they're responsible for. So there's a work list. There's a schedule of events that the buyers do need to go ahead and review. Open order alerts, any open orders that need to be placed today, low stock alerts. These are the exceptions where we need to go ahead and review to see if this is something that requires a forecast and adjustment. And then certainly item level alerts. We also present to the buyer a high-level view of what the company's overall metrics are. So this is not the buyer level. This is actually the the company level, where we can see what's happening to forecast accuracy, what's happening to inventory levels, the same thing with overstock, with our service levels, and with turns.
SCP is part of the Blue Ridge Validated Suite, providing the assurance businesses need to build a more foreseeable future with best of breed visibility, replenishment, analytics, and profits from the leader in distribution and manufacturing. Your customers can unlock the additional components and recognize value as they grow with NetSuite. SCP drives rapid return on investment and has a proven track record, as noted by our customer reviews on Suite app. Want to learn more? Submit a lead referral through your system, and Blue Ridge will promptly follow up.